Leica Absolute Tracker ATS600 has recently been updated with a range of productivity and efficiency enhancing new features. With the new panorama imaging mode, users can create an image of a measurement area much larger than the field of view of the tracker. This extra context makes it much easier to select larger surface areas for measurement. Just choose the upper and lower boundaries of the area you would like the panorama image to cover using the live image view from the overview camera. The software will then automatically take a series of still images and then stitch them together into a larger composite image of the complete scene. The new line scan profiles can be used to quickly define a narrow measurement area between a number of selected points. Once the profile is chosen and the endpoints of the measurement area defined, just choose the desired point-to-point and line-to-line distances and the line width. When you start the scan, points within the defined scan area will be collected at high speed. This is a simple example of the line scan concept. The feature really comes into its own when measuring more complex shapes. For example, a line scan can be used to easily measure a long pipe with multiple angles. Just create a new measurement point at each angle, define the line width to be wider than the pipe diameter, and the tracker will automatically trace the entire defined path of the pipe at high speed without the need to create and scan multiple separate measurement areas. The image quality of the ATS600's built-in overview camera has been improved to deliver high-resolution zoom functionality. Multiple levels of zoom are available with no loss of resolution. The new uniform grid scanning function adds a pre-measurement step to the scanning of a selected surface that allows the tracker to calculate the 3D orientation of the plane to be measured. You'll see the pre-measurement taking place as the defined corners of the selected measurement area turn from red to green. With this new orientation information, the software is able to distribute the measurement grid equally across the plane through applying an effectively larger point density on the parts of the surface furthest from the tracker. The result seen in the measurement software will be a uniform measurement grid that looks as though it was taken with the angle of the surface perpendicular to the tracker. You'll also see here the addition of an option to grow the selected measurement area. This makes it easier to ensure nothing is missing when scanning without the need for pinpoint accuracy when initially selecting the measurement area. The new ring scan function allows the tracker to quickly create a 360-degree environment scan. This function can be used in interior mapping or to scan the interior of a large cylindrical structure. The scan would allow for the calculation of properties of the cylinder, such as size and diameter, useful for example in rocket manufacturing.